Welcome to VOXLY English. Let's get started.
Hello, Liam. How are you today?
Hi, Sophia. I'm doing okay. A little tired, but okay.
A little tired, but okay. That sounds like a normal day for many people. Today, I want to talk about something very simple, but very powerful for your English.
Okay, what is it?
Talking about your day. Just that, how to talk about your day in English. What you did, how you felt, and what you learned.
That sounds easy, but when someone asks me, how was your day? I usually just say fine or not bad, and then the conversation dies.
Exactly. Many learners do the same thing. They know a lot of grammar, but they cannot tell a simple story about their own day. If you learn to talk about your day, you will practice the past tense every day, practice common vocabulary, and have something to say in almost any conversation.
So it is like free daily practice.
Yes, you live your day anyway, you just need the English to describe it. Let's start with a simple question. How was your day today, Liam? Answer naturally, the way you usually would.
Okay. My day was normal. I woke up late and I went to work and it was boring, and then I came home and I watched some YouTube and now I'm here.
Good. That is a start. You used the past tense. I woke up, I went, it was. But it sounds a little flat, a little mechanical. If someone asked you that in real life, they would not know much about you or your life.
Yes, it sounds kind of boring even to me.
Do not worry. We are going to improve it together. First, I will give you a simple structure. Then we will add vocabulary and detail. 1. A simple structure to talk about your day. When someone asks, how was your day, you can think of your answer in 3 parts. 1. Overall feeling. 1 short sentence. 2. Main events. 3 to 5 things you did. And 3. Small reflection. What you learned or how you feel now. Let's practice. 1. Overall feeling. This is your short answer. Examples. It was pretty good. It was okay, just a bit busy. Honestly, it was a little stressful. Today was really nice. I'm happy. Can you choose one sentence to describe your day?
Maybe it was okay, just a bit boring?
Perfect. That is your first line. 2. Main events. Now you choose 3 to 5 moments from your day. A very easy way is to use time blocks. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And use simple past verbs. I woke up, I went, I worked, I met, I watched. 3. Reflection. At the end, add one small sentence. Now I feel tired but satisfied. I hope tomorrow will be more relaxing. I'm grateful for today. I didn't like today. I want to change my routine. Very simple, but it makes your answer feel like a real story, not a list. 2. Building Liam's answer. Sure, let's build your answer step by step. First, say your overall feeling again for me.
It was okay, just a bit boring?
Good. Now tell me 3 main things you did today. Take a moment to think.
Okay. In the morning, I woke up late and almost missed the bus. At work, I answered a lot of emails and had a long meeting with my boss. In the evening, I cooked dinner and watched some YouTube.
Great. Now we join everything together, and at the end, you add a small reflection. Try to say the full answer.
Today was okay, just a bit boring. In the morning, I woke up late and almost missed the bus. At work, I answered a lot of emails and had a long meeting with my boss. In the evening, I cooked dinner and watched some YouTube. Now I feel a little tired, but also relaxed.
Excellent, Liam. That is already a clear, natural answer. If you say this to a friend, they will understand your day and maybe ask more questions.
It actually feels good. It's like telling a mini story.
Exactly. Your day is a story. Now, we're going to make this skill stronger and richer. Let's add some useful phrases that you can use in many situations. When someone asks, "How is your day?" you can start with, It was pretty good, thanks. Not bad, a bit busy, but okay. It was great. I had a really nice day. Honestly, today was a little stressful. To be honest, it was a hard day. When someone asks, "What did you do today?" you can start with, "Well, today I mostly, let me think. In the morning, I didn't do anything special, but I had a very interesting day. First,
I usually say and then all the time. It sounds like a child.
Many learners do that. Let's practice with your day, but now use connectors. Try again.
Today was okay, just a bit boring. In the morning, I woke up late and almost missed the bus. At work, I answered a lot of emails and then we had a long meeting with my boss. In the evening, I cooked dinner and after that, I watched some YouTube videos. At the end of the day, I feel a little tired but relaxed.
Very good. It sounds natural. Now, an important point. Sometimes you should give a short answer and sometimes a longer answer. Short, polite answer for strangers, coworkers, cashier. Example. Hey Liam, how was your day?
Not bad, thanks. Just a bit busy. How about you?
That is enough. You do not need your life story. Medium answer for classmates, teacher, someone you know a bit. Example. It was pretty good. I had a lot of work in the morning, but the afternoon was relaxing. I went for a walk and listened to some music. Long answer for close friends, podcast, language practice. Example. 5 to 10 sentences, like we built before.
So I must feel the situation. If it's just small talk, keep it short.
Exactly. But when you're practicing English, you can always choose to give the long version. You can even talk to yourself or record voice messages. Now, let's review some common verbs and phrases to talk about a normal day. I will say them, and you repeat after me if you are listening. Morning. Wake up, get up, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, make coffee or tea, go to work, go to school, catch the bus, drive to work, walk to school. Afternoon. Have lunch, attend a meeting, answer emails, messages, study, do homework, go shopping, run errands, small tasks outside like bank, post office. Evening. Get home, cook dinner, have dinner, do the dishes, relax or lie on the sofa, watch series, watch YouTube, play video games, go for a walk, go to the gym, talk with family, chat with friends, go to bed, or fall asleep.
I know many of these words, but sometimes I forget them when I speak.
That is normal. Speaking needs repetition. When you talk about your day every night, these verbs will become automatic. Talking about feelings. Your day is not only actions, it is also feelings. Let's add some adjectives to describe how you felt. Tired, exhausted, relaxed, calm, stressed, anxious, happy, excited, bored, frustrated, proud, disappointed, grateful. You can put them in sentences like, I felt really tired in the morning. After the gym, I felt great. The meeting was boring and I felt frustrated. In the evening, I felt relaxed and happy.
This makes the story more alive.
Exactly. People remember feelings more than details. Let's do a little game. First, imagine you had a really good day. Tell me about it. Use our structure. 1. Overall feeling. 2. Main events. 3. Reflection.
Okay. Today was really good. In the morning, I woke up early and went for a run in the park. I had a nice breakfast and didn't feel rushed. In the afternoon, I finished an important project at work and my boss was happy with it. In the evening, I had dinner with a friend and we talked for hours. At the end of the day, I feel proud and grateful.
That is beautiful. Now the opposite. Imagine a bad day.
Honestly, today was pretty bad. In the morning, I woke up late and I missed the bus, so I arrived at work 20 minutes late. In the afternoon, my computer stopped working and I lost some files, so I felt very stressed. In the evening, I was too tired to cook, so I just ate junk food and watched random videos. Now I feel exhausted and a little disappointed with myself.
Very good. You used strong emotional words. This kind of practice does two things at the same time: improves your English and makes you more aware of your life. Many people on Monday ask, "How was your weekend?" This is almost the same as "How was your day?" but usually with more interesting events. You can use this pattern. 1. Overall feeling. My weekend was great. Quiet, kind of busy, very relaxing. 2. One sentence about each day. On Saturday, I. On Sunday, I. 3. Reflection. It went by too fast, or I feel ready for the new week.
Let me try. My weekend was pretty relaxing. On Saturday, I stayed at home, cleaned my room, and watched a movie in English. On Sunday, I met a friend for coffee and we walked around the city. It went by too fast, but I feel ready for this week.
Great. Very natural. Now the important question. How can you use this in your real life to improve your English every day? I suggest 3 simple habits. Habit 1. 1-minute audio journal. Every night, take your phone, open a voice recorder or WhatsApp chat with yourself, and press record and say, "Today was," 3 to 5 sentences about your day, 1 sentence of reflection. It can be only 1 minute. Do not try to be perfect, just speak.
I like that idea. It's private, so I won't feel embarrassed.
Exactly. And after some weeks, you can listen again and hear your progress. Habit 2. Written mini journal. If you like writing, every night write 5 to 10 sentences in English about your day. Use time expressions and feelings. Example, today was quite busy. In the morning, I had a test at school. I was nervous, but it went well. After lunch, I met a cousin and we played football. In the evening, I watched an English video and now I'm going to bed. I feel tired but happy. Habit 3. Real conversation practice. If you have a language partner or friend who also learns English, every day or a few times a week, you can ask each other, "How was your day?" What was the best part of your day? What was the hardest part of your day? You can do this by voice message or a short call.
I have a friend who's also learning English. We usually just send memes. Maybe we can do this instead.
Memes are good, but this will help more. Let's talk about a few common mistakes learners make when talking about their day. Talking about your day today usually uses past simple. I woke up, I went, I worked, I watched. Some learners say, "Today I go to work, and then I have a meeting, and after that I watched a movie." Better, "Today I went to work, and then I had a meeting, and after that I watched a movie." You do not need to translate every small detail from your language. Focus on the main events. It's okay to be simple. Instead of, "At 7:03 I woke up and at 7:12 I drank coffee with sugar and 2 pieces of bread with cheese and olives," you can say, "I woke up early, had a quick breakfast, and went to work." It's okay to say, "I had a bad day," but if every day is terrible or boring, your brain will feel worse. Try to add at least one small positive thing. "Work was stressful, but I had a nice lunch with a colleague." Or, "I was tired, but I still did 10 minutes of English."
This is good for your English and your mental health.
Even on bad days, I can find one good thing. Exactly. Your English practice can also become gratitude practice. Sometimes you want to tell more detail, maybe in a podcast or with close friends. Here's a simple way to add detail without getting lost. For each part of your day, you can answer 3 questions. What happened? Who was there? How did you feel? Let's take one part of your day, the meeting with your boss. Answer these questions.
What happened? We had a meeting about a new project. Who was there? My boss and 3 colleagues from my team. How did I feel? At first, I felt nervous, but later I felt more confident.
Now combine them.
In the afternoon, we had a meeting about a new project. My boss was there with 3 people from my team. At first, I felt nervous because I had to present my ideas, but later I felt more confident when they liked my suggestions.
Very nice. Still clear, but richer. Practice for the listener. If you are listening to this podcast, now it is your turn. I will ask some questions. After each one, there will be a short pause. You can answer out loud. How was your day today? Was it good, bad, or just okay? What did you do in the morning? Mention 1 or 2 things. What did you do in the afternoon? What did you do in the evening? What was the best part of your day? What was the hardest part of your day? How do you feel right now? You can pause this audio and speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Remember, you do not need perfect grammar. Just communicate. 13. Liam's full day story. Okay, Liam, to finish, I want you to tell your full day story one more time. Imagine you are talking to a friend in English. Use everything we practiced: overall feeling, time expressions, connectors, feelings, reflection. Take your time.
Okay, here we go. Today was pretty normal, but not too bad. In the morning, I woke up a little late because I went to bed after midnight yesterday. I took a quick shower, skipped breakfast, and rushed to catch the bus. I almost missed it, so I felt a bit stressed at the start of the day. At work, I answered a lot of emails, and then we had a long meeting about a new project. My boss and 3 colleagues were there. At first, I was nervous because I had to share my ideas in front of everyone, but later I felt more confident when they liked my presentation. In the afternoon, things slowed down. I listened to some music while I finished my tasks. I also took a short walk outside, which helped me relax. In the evening, I got home, cooked some simple pasta for dinner, and watched a few YouTube videos. One of them was about learning English through podcasts, which actually motivated me. At the end of the day, I feel a little tired, but also proud that I came here to record this episode. I hope tomorrow I can wake up earlier and have a better morning.
That was excellent, Liam. Very clear, natural, and honest.
Thank you. It feels easier now. I can see the structure in my head when I speak.
That is the goal. Once you know the structure, you can use it every day without thinking too much. Final summary for the listener. Before we finish, let's summarize the key ideas. When someone asks, "How was your day?" think of 3 parts: overall feeling, main events, morning, afternoon, evening, small reflection. Use past simple. I woke up, I went, I worked, I met, I watched. Use time expressions and connectors. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, first, then, after that, later, at the end of the day. Add feelings. I felt tired, relaxed, stressed, happy, bored, proud, grateful. Practice every day. 1-minute audio journal, short written journal, real conversation with a friend or language partner. If you do this for 1 month, your English speaking will become faster, more natural, and more confident.
I'm going to start the audio journal tonight.
Very good. And if you're listening to us, maybe you can start tonight too. Just 1 minute. Your day, your story, your English. Thank you for listening to VOXLY English. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.